My name is Humza Israel from Kampala. My memory verse is from the third phase of the book of Reuben called New Jerusalem. Part 1, chapter 61, page 132. It talks about wisdom, understanding, and knowledge. The greatest is wisdom, followed by understanding, and lastly is knowledge. Wisdom and understanding, they bring true knowledge. Knowledge is acquired from schools, people, and things. For example, knowledge to be a driver, knowledge to be a lawyer, knowledge to be a doctor, and many others. But wisdom and understanding, those are directly from God. And the source of long life, what I said, honor are wisdom and understanding. Wisdom speaks truth and hates those who speak lies. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and the knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. The fear of the Lord prolongs days, but the years of the wicked shall be shortened. Love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like it. Love your neighbor the way you love yourself. Thank you.